You're done.
I got nothing left, man. We did it though. That's it. Woo! Oh man, can't believe we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. Oh man. Really cool old junk. Look, that's badass, dude. Old mining carts. That's freaking cool.
Yeah, so these things are probably come under this thing. Melt all the freaking metal or whatever.
Ghost town.
Walk through Phantom Ranch with the cabins and such. Stop and enjoy a beer.
So that's way
before
freaking down
continuing.
there.
Yeah,
Oh,
before
man.
continuing on to the whole day is 7 miles.
So, and because Bright Angels right here, this is our campground number 2. And Phantom Ranch is right here, right before it. I think this right here
Yeah, it's on day
is what
3.
he's telling us, day 3. So this is what we'll try and hit day 3. And then camp at Indian Garden here, and then day 4. But look at this, look at the trail on day 4. Look at it, dude, it's just switchbacks everywhere all the way up. And this is where we're parking the car. So this is where we're meeting the shell tomorrow. Yeah, buddy.
So just drive from like here to here is like 4.5 hours?
Yeah, because you gotta drive all the way the hell around.
Right.
Yeah.
Just makes me feel like that guy just goes around and
Ah.
An origin, yeah, I'm from Switzerland, so that's what it is.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
You're born in Switzerland?
I was.
Oh, wow. Okay. What brought you to the United States?
John Wayne.
Yeah. That's the best answer I could hope for.
Really. No, not really. Just traveling and whatever, you know. And for me, I was going to be here for a couple of years. Kind of understand the culture and learn some English and move on. That's sweet. Because that must be wild and wildlife.
You know something? Yeah, he dropped this here. Yeah.
Man, the bug's already starting. Because I'm slow.
I didn't get it. Go back and do it again. Could be. We're not by the lot.
And walking up on that hill. We're just regretting it right now.
Well, I don't want to leave my bag here then. I'd rather leave it down here somewhere. Off the trail.
I think we should go check out the falls either way, even if we pack our bags the whole way.
Let's go. I always miss
Alright, should we try it?
You gonna drink that?
Does it taste like Giardia?
It tastes way better than that stuff I got at camp.
Yeah. I'll fill it up on the way down.
It's delicious.
feels so good.
Oh,
dude.
dude.
Nice bath. Oh, I think it'll go right here.
Oh, for sure, dude, yeah. No, it definitely was animals.
Maybe a bird did it.
Justin and Kyle are sitting down for a little water break.
Okay.
Alright. Tired. Oh, you want to check out my hair right now? Like, how bad is it?
Oh.
That's gross, right? I didn't have time for a haircut before I got here. Oh, passing. Hey guys. Hey.
Hi. Your hair looks like
This is
like
just,
an 80s curl.
this is just like thick from like Thursday's like hair gel and like 2 days of like sweat and grease. It's gross. Yeah, it
What's
smells.
it smell like?
I don't know, it smells like me. Like I can't describe it. But it smells like the John. I'm starving, Mike. Mountain House, don't pay me. Just give me free Mountain House. I'll like shill your products. Just give me free food. This is great. Oh man, this is pretty dumb. Tired engineering.
Weather forecast, because that's always really important. It looks awesome. Welcome to the best time of year to be a Grand Canyon by far. So tonight the low is 56 down here. Tomorrow we're looking at a high of 86, which is about where we were today down here, with a low of 60 if you're spending another night down here. Monday.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. So sleepy. And I'm gonna have 3 more tomorrow. So that's 10. Wait, no, that's 7. Crap, I can't do math. I'm gonna eat 9 total. It's not a bad thing, it's like what you do out here. But I actually kinda like Mountain House. Like I really like Mountain House. It's nice. Just gnaw through that scene too.
Well, what a grand canyon. What a beaut.
Early in the morning. Look at that view. Whew. Man. You're done.
I got nothing left, man. We did it though. That's it. Woo! Oh man, I can't believe we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. Oh man. Epic, dude. Epic. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Like, so many different, I don't know, so many different environments, so many different terrains, so many different things to look at, just constantly changing. Man, so many different like emotions for me. I thought I was gonna die at some point. Oh. Oh God, I feel good now though.
That wasn't easy, man. This is not a good look.